don't see this coming. With just 3 ingredients, butter cookies. Hello, sweet tooths.
Come with joy in your heart, because I love the smell of freshly baked cookies, the sound of the oven, and the happiness that comes out.
They're super easy to make. Just use between 80 and 75 grams of butter, more or less, about 1/3 of a cup at room temperature. Add 60 grams or 1/3 of a cup of sugar, the regular white sugar, and you mix it until everything has a uniform and creamy texture. So you'll need to stir it for about a minute. Third ingredient, 150 grams of flour, which is a little more than 1 cup, and 1 tablespoon. For example, you add it in and stir it once again. We want it to blend together, so we get a dough with a uniform texture, so you need to stir it for a couple of minutes until it looks like this. After that, you can make the cookies, and if you want to put in some effort, you can shape them using a tool like this. And if not, without it, I'll explain how to make them easily. If you want to use the tool, and you have it, you know what to do. You put the dough inside, close the tool, and place it directly onto parchment paper or a silicone mat, shaping them as you go. Although ideally, you should freeze the cookies for a bit afterward so they hold their shape. If not, just make a little ball, flatten it, and your cookie is ready. Either way, you're going to bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 355 Fahrenheit, with heat from both the top and bottom. And when you see that they're golden, but not too much, just the edges golden, it takes about 14 minutes.
Look, what a great little dish we've made in just a moment. Delicious, easy, and you know, if you want a bigger one, you just have to double or triple the amount. Look at these cookies, how good and tasty they are. They make your mouth water. This couldn't be any tastier. Oh, I'm a real
fan of
butter cookies? Well, of all cookies, but butter cookies even more. Tell me down here in the comments, what are your favorite cookies? Let's see if we can get some ideas together. Of course. And also tell me, where are you watching the video from? So we can travel the whole world among delicious things, fluffy, ideal flavor,